Hey, real quick. What was I about to say? Yeah, real quick. So over the weekend, last week, my boy got promoted. My homeboy got promoted to W3. So we proud of him. You feel me? So that's why this weekend. That's why like Friday night we went out to celebrate, and then last night we went out to celebrate. When you see me post certain things and say certain things, I'm joking on here, you feel me? And then the running that I'm running is because my company started this running challenge for the month of whatever fucking month we're in right now. So that's why I'm running so much. So Raymond Kelly's not stressed out. Raymond Kelly, ain't nothing weak about Raymond Kelly, man. Y'all gotta understand that, physically or mentally. You feel me? I'm a performer. Like, come on, man. So I be joking around when I say certain things sometimes. I'm not serious. So I was drinking because we celebrate my boy's promotion, and then I'm running because I'm doing a running challenge for the month of April. I might not win, but I ain't gonna fucking lose. You feel me? But yeah, appreciate people reaching out. Yeah, thank you.